Hey guys, welcome to another video. My name is Rejoice and today we're going to be talking about 3 ways you can make money as a content creator or as a YouTuber that is not through ad revenue or through sponsorship. Now, ad revenue and sponsorship are the 2 main ways YouTubers make money here, but I found these other ways that, is not really talked about that often, I think, and I am about to share it with you guys, so hope you enjoy watching. Now, if you know me and if you've watched any of my videos, you know that I don't really like to talk too much. I like to go straight into the video. I'm not about to start telling you why you need to make more money or, why you need money. I'm just here to show you how you can. So without further ado, let's go to number 1. Now, one of the ways to make money as a content creator that is not very much talked about as much as it should is through stock footage and media sales. This is a gold mine for YouTubers, especially those ones who create visually appealing videos and content. Do you know that you can actually license out and sell that beautiful drone footage that you have or you created, the time lapse that you have, the beautiful pictures you take of nature, even sound effects? Maybe you are lucky enough to capture a very good nature sound. Do you know that you can actually sell it? If you didn't know, now you know. That is what stock footage and media sales simply means. It's just selling your videos and footages out there for other people to use. Stock footage platforms are constantly looking for fresh content, high quality videos, high quality pictures, unique new stuff. All of these are valuable and always in high demand because people are constantly creating, and a lot of people like to use this content or these footages for like B-rolls and stuff like that. And how it works is by uploading your clips. Each time somebody downloads your clip for their project, you get paid for it. So the website you can sell your stock footage or your videos are Shutterstock. I'm sure you must have heard of Shutterstock, where you can find images, videos, sound effects, even music. There is also Adobe Stock. Adobe Stock is a convenient option for many creators. A lot of creators go on this platform to download videos or clips for their content. And not just content creators, actually. Even business owners can get business images or business related videos from these platforms for their projects. We also have Getty Images. This is a household name. I'm sure you must have heard about Getty Images. Getty Images offers a prestigious platform for exceptional stock media. Now, it can be a bit tricky to be getting, but once you get accepted, it can boost your career and make you some coins. Another way you can make money as a YouTuber or a content creator without depending on ads revenue or sponsorship is to sell merchandise. Once you have established a loyal following and a brand, consider creating merch. This is a classic way for YouTubers to connect with their audience and at the same time bring in some cash. Now, your merch can be anything from t-shirts with like your logos on it, or a catchphrase, or something you like to say, or something you believe in, a conviction that you have, or something that your followers know you for, or mugs, or hoodies, or hats, or you name it. It is endless. I tell you, you can literally create almost anything, and there are a lot of print on demand websites that can help you create and sell your merchandise without you having to hold inventory. This means that all you have to do is just make a design, post it on this thing. That's once you set up your merch store on any of this print on demand website, put your design up there, and once a customer buys, they will handle the production, they will handle the shipping, they will handle everything. You don't need to do anything. All you have to do is to make your design and put it up there, and then they share the profits with you. So with this, you can make money literally while you sleep. Remember that your merch has to be of good quality and reflect your brand identity. So in case you want to know more about starting your merch store as a complete beginner, I already made an in-depth video to teach you everything you need to know before you open your merch store as a complete beginner. I'm going to link it down below, so please check that out. And finally, guys, you may have heard this a million times, but permit me to say it to you again. The third way to make money as a creator is to sell digital products. If you have a specific skill set or knowledge base to share, you can actually create a digital product of it and sell it to millions of people all around the world. Products like ebooks, online courses, custom templates, they sell. Let's say you are a pro at video editing. You can create an in-depth video course of video editing, especially tailored to YouTubers. Or you're a travel blogger, you can create an ebook filled with insider travel tips and tricks, for like maybe budget travel or something like that. Canva has made creating ebooks and templates so much easy. You can literally create more than 5 ebooks or templates in a day if you want. And there are also tons of tutorials here on the YouTube that will take you from how to generate ideas for ebooks, how to create it from beginning to end. But if you want me to create that tutorial, if you want me to make a video how to create ebooks or digital product, then please let me know in the comment section. So the key here is to identify what you're good at, what you can teach another person, and then what your audience wants as well, and then mine. This can be a fantastic way to keep getting income and at the same time build a loyal community around your expertise. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share to your fellow content creators, or if you know any content creator, share to them so they learn more ways to monetize their craft and their talents. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in this video.